Good evening, everyone, and hello to a new starting week. so, I just have opened the Bitcoin chart here. I had a trade in around here, and I got stopped for a small loss. So let's write it down. Stopped for a small loss, and now back in, but with 0.10 risk. So, not a lot. Okay. Uh, if this is like the top, um I really don't want to push it. Maybe it will kind of come into this area here, in like 20,500. We're basically at, let me see, where is the chart? This one. Oh, oh my, yeah. Sorry, I have so many charts. I don't know which one is which. Um, Technically, this is the mid range of June and August. So I really don't want to trade. Like, if there is a pop, maybe this is the pop. That's why I keep on saying 21,500. Maybe we will get some sort of pullback today, and probably tomorrow we will kind of like grind down. And if there is a flush, I think it's gonna be on Tuesday to 21,500. If not, then if you're in a short position, you're doing very, very well right now. So, without further ado, there is pretty much no life into this. So, as you can see, it keeps grinding down harder and harder. So, I think I'll probably get stopped on this trade, which is no problem. Maybe I'll get stopped live. Let's see. I'll put an alert, and the price comes here, then I'm gonna be stopped. um, Ethereum, this is holding much better than uh, than Bitcoin. Probably it's gonna come here and push again higher. If this is the case, then yeah, that would be really, really nice. Probably I'll try to punt along in around this area. I'll see how the price reacts here. So I'll just set up an alert. Um, in terms of fundamentals, pretty much nothing has changed. Okay, I don't see why the Fed would do anything. This is the missed trade that we had. Um, well if I mean, if I could have entered here again, I'll probably scalp this, but for now it's okay like it is. Okay. So no need to stress uh about being in a position right now. I really don't want to push it because uh there will be quite a lot of volatility, so I'm gonna save my ammo for Wednesday. Also, I'm cashing out at the end of the month, so that's why I don't want to do too much trading in between, like, to tomorrow and the first. Okay, it's I want to enjoy my profits. So then, once we start the new month, I will see what we'll do. But until then, if I will trade, I will use much less risk. This one looks like it's gonna break down, to be honest. Um, I missed relonged. I took a small profit, and now I'm still in a trade, but it's much smaller in size than the previous trade. So, the British pound. Um, well, this one I booked only 2 hour. I said maybe we can go all the way here. I think my initial trade, to be honest, was something like this. No, it was like this. It was a 5 hour trade. So but we will see. I think 1.73, that would be, yeah, kind of lines up with a lot of things here. So 1.73 is the area that we will look for shorts, obviously. We'll have to see what the Fed do. I don't think they will pivot, to be honest. I really don't think they will do that. But if there is a short, this is your short here. Quite big, fat, juicy short, I would say. Let me put it on another chart. Uh, this is the plan basically. So this will be the short that we will be taking like this. So, but we'll see when price reaches here. We will take it from here. Okay. So this is the plan for the British pound for now. As I said, we'll have to wait and see. We're in wait and see mode right now. I think great opportunities will come next week. So saving up for that, that's awesome. Okay. Yeah, I don't trade these things at all. Really not my cup of tea. Um, the Japanese yen, it rallied back up. Probably will be in this range for now. We swept the range low here, up. Now we're coming. I think we'll have to see what it does at midpoint here, and this is the 1998 high. This line here. So we're holding above, under, sorry, we're holding under, so we're still below midpoint. If this is gonna continue, it will probably come back into this area, 146, 146.7. So we'll see once we reach this area how it will react. For now, I don't want to do anything with this too much. Uh, I had some quite okay trades, quite good actually. This 10-hour trade was really, really fantastic. In terms of the XY, it's basically an inverted chart of the euro dollar. So we swept this low here, the October low. Um, we got into September here in this area, which looks like a good support for now. Now, if we come back, we'll see. Not much to say. Like, I really don't want to repeat myself so many times, but yeah, we have to be mindful. Like, the market was pricing in China COVID zero policy, that they will end it. Well, the market was wrong many times, and I think the shift has is changing in China also. So we have to be mindful of that, because that impacts the macro environment. Most of the stuff is produced there, and it's one of the biggest economies in the world also. So we have to be very mindful of China and what they will do if they invade Taiwan or stuff like that. Just just be careful of this type of news, okay? Right now it's time to kind of uh the market gave some really nice ranges, but I think in the end we have to be very patient with everything. The XY, we what a rally on Friday, man. 4% rally, that's crazy. We said this is our trigger point here. So now that we kind of enter this area, I will start to scale in shorts probably. I just want to see how price opens on Monday at London Open, and based off that, I will take my trades. I would not do I will not do too much in terms of in terms of how to trade this. Okay, I'm just gonna be very very patient for now. Bitcoin looks like it's setting up for coming down. Um, so maybe this is the first sign, right? Now this is I said many times. Sometimes Bitcoin is lagging. Uh, bef- uh, is lagging, and S&P is like moving for is leading, right? So now Bitcoin is leading probably. So this is like it's showing us, okay, we've topped, and now we were down for a correction. We had a nice rally these past 2 days. uh, if I would look for longs, definitely 20k is the area where I would look for longs. Not here, but 20. uh, So, yeah, just be very, very patient right now. At this point, I think I've rushed this trade, to be honest. Maybe it has some life in it, but it's very, very limited in my opinion. Well, that was. Let's take a look at this. Well, this one 28. So this decreased a bit. This one increased. I highly doubt that there will be any pivot. Okay, the market is always bullying the Feds into doing what the market wants, but the Fed always shut the door right into their face. Okay, sorry, not Twitter. That's not something that you want. Let's look at the economic calendar. Pretty much nothing until we have the GDP on Europe. This is something that's not gonna be interesting. On Tuesday we have RBA for the Australian dollar and the ISM, and we'll see ISM on Tuesday. If this comes in lower than expected, if it's printing below 50, just so you know, usually it's kind of signaling a recession. Okay, when ISM is below 50 and PMIs are below 50, that signals a recession. And yeah, Wednesday is the big day. We'll have to wait until then. And what else do we have? Bank of England on Thursday, also very, very important. So just be mindful of this. It's gonna be a pretty busy week with NFP coming on Friday. So all in all, we're gonna have a lot of volatility, and we will try to take advantage of the opportunities as they come. Okay. That's pretty much everything. I hope you, I don't know, if you have any questions, just feel free to ask me in the group. Um, right now, I think, okay, I'm getting stopped. Yay! Okay, it's okay, guys. It's not a big position. Yeah, thank you. I've seen it. See, get wrecked with me live. That's awesome. I'm guessing, like, let's take a look at what was the name, Doggy. I think Doggy is coming down hard. Ooh la la, yeah. Woof. Well done. Woof woof. Anibe. I don't know if I'm pronouncing your name right. Well done, bro. For shorting this. Paddy. I think you're doing well if you shorted. Um, so you see, sometimes it's good to counter trade me. Have a great week ahead of you. Stay safe. It's gonna be pretty busy, so I'll let you know about all the events and everything. So catch up later, okay?